Good afternoon mga ka-PNU. Thank you for being with me today for PNU Talk. I am Christine Barrios from Parañaque National High School, Maine, and an alumna of PNU Kislap Sining Dance Troupe, Batch 2009. Today, we will be having the dance interpretation of one particular rural dance from Visayas. And this is very special to me and to my dance troupe. This dance is very simple and can be taught to any age level. Actually, naituro na po namin ito sa elementary, grades 1 to 6, at nagustuhan naman nila ito at magandang kinalabasan. And I'm sure they will enjoy this folk dance if you will also teach this dance to your students, mapa-grade school man yan or mapa-high school. Let's start. The name of this dance that we will be interpreting today is Arigay. I want to recognize and thank the dance researcher of this dance, Mr. Jose Burgos F. Magbanwa. This dance was presented in 2011 National Folk Dance Workshop held in Bago City and last PFTS 2019 held here in Manila. The meaning of the dance is courting. And the dance culture, lowland Christian, and we can classify this dance as courtship, comic, and mimetic. Let us proceed to the background of the dance. So this is very important. So before you go to the figures of the dance, we need to understand the background of the dance because ito yung magbibigay ng spirito ng buong sayaw. Pag natapos na nating i-interpret ang bawat figure, kailangan i-interpret na natin siya as a whole. Kung paano siya pinresent, kung ano yung background, ano yung konteksto ng buong sayaw. Hindi lang yung figure. Okay? So, the dance Arigay fondly interpreted by the local folks of Bacolod, Negros Occidental. This courtship dance imitates the movement of the chicken, a very lively and exciting dance that display the typical character of a Filipino flirting action and freedom of expression when courting. Let's proceed to costume. For female, girls wear typical balintawak style costume with tapis and soft panuelo over the left shoulder. So any color. Footwear, barefoot. So for boys costume, boys wear barong Tagalog or camisa de chino with pants of any color. So barefoot din po ito. Hindi tayo mamroblema sa sapatilya or kotso ng ipapasuot natin sa students natin. The music of Arigay is in 2/4 time signature composed of two parts A and B. Countings will be 1, 2, 1 and 2 to a measure. Okay, now let's proceed to the dance proper. So Arigay has 8 figures. We have figure 1, which is Arigay 1, figure 2, Arigay 2, figure 3, we call it as Pangahig, figure 4, Pabalay, figure 5, Lagsanay A, figure 6, we have Tuka-Tuka Pamalo, figure 7 is Arigay 3, last figure, which is figure number 8, we call it as Lagsanay B. So let's start with figure 1. Arigay 1. Figure 1, Arigay 1. Raise right foot and bend knee in front. Hands on waist. Move the elbows forward, count 1. Step right foot forward and move elbows backward, count 2. Do this for 1 measure. Repeat A 3 more times. Left, right, left for 3 measure. Starting with the right foot, Take 4 change steps, right, left, right, forward, while moving elbows backward on count 1. Forward on count end, backward on count 2 of every measure. Do this for 4 measure. Repeat A to C, moving backward to proper places on C for 8 measure. Figure 2, Arigay 2. Step right foot sideward right, twist body to the left, bend trunk slightly backward, counts 1 and 2. Close left foot to right, face front, count 1 and 2. Arms as in figure 1A. Do this for 2 measure. Repeat A, moving sideward right. 2 measure. Repeat A and B, moving sideward left, starting with the left foot for 4 measure. Repeat A. 4 times moving sideward right and left alternately for 8 measure. Figure 3, Pangahig. Partners face each other. Scratch right foot backward, counts 1, 2. Bend body slightly forward and place hands on waist for 1 measure. Repeat A with left foot, counts 1, 2 for 1 measure, and execute 2 change steps backward, right and left, arms as in figure 1A. Do this for 2 measure. Repeat C, moving forward to meet partner at the center, right and left, and moving backward to proper places for 4 measure. Execute 2 fast change step, turn to right in place, arms as in C, for 2 measure. Figure 4, Pabalay. This time, magkaiba yung ginagawa ng girls at saka ng lalaki. So, partners face each other. Girl. Kneel on right in upright position. Arms as in figure 1. A. Twist body to the right for 1 measure. Repeat A 7 more times, left and right alternately for 7 measure. Repeat A and B for 8 measure. Figure 4, Pabalay for boys. Starting with the right foot, execute 1 change step, making a full turn right. Arms in second position, bend slightly forward with hands in front, flapping up and down on every count. Do this for 1 measure. Repeat A 7 more times, left and right alternately, moving around the girl clockwise. Finish in proper places. Do this for 7 measure. Repeat A and B starting with left foot. Reverse turn to left, moving around the girl counterclockwise. Do this for 8 measure. Figure 5, Lagsanay A. Before we proceed to figure 5, let us review figures 1 to 4. Arigay 1, Arigay 2, Pangahig, and Pabalay. Arigay 1. Arigay 2. Pangahig. Pabalay. Let us now proceed to figure 5, Lagsanay A. Partners face each other. For the girls, stand from kneeling position starting with the right foot, execute 8 change steps, moving around clockwise. Arms as in figure 1A. Do this for 8 measure. For boys, Lagsanay A, starting with the right foot, execute 8 change steps following the girls. Arms in figure 4, boy A. Do this for 8 measure. For both boys and girls, still in figure 5, Lagsanay A. Scratch right foot backward, count 1 and 2, hands on waist. Do this for 1 measure. Repeat B with left foot and right foot, 2 measure. Boy faces audience and girl away from audience. Place right hand to the right shoulder of partner. Free hand on boy and waist for girls. For both boys and girls, still in figure 5, Lagsanay A. Scratch right foot backward, counts 1, 2, hands on waist. For 1 measure. Repeat B with left foot and right foot for 2 measure. Boy faces audience and girl away from audience. Place right hand to right shoulder of partner. Free hand of boy on waist, girl hold skirt. Starting with the inside foot, execute 4 change steps, moving clockwise to proper places. Do this for 4 measure. Turn right about and repeat C. Place left hand to left shoulder of partner and move counterclockwise for 4 measure. Figure 6. Tuka-tuka pamalo. For girls, stand in fourth position. Right foot in front. Arms as in figure 4 boy A. With body bent backward, counts 1 and 2 for 1 measure. Repeat A bending forward, counts 1 and 2, 1 measure. Repeat A and B 6 more times, moving backward and forward alternately for 6 measure. Jump right foot to sideward right and land on both feet with bent knees. Trunk slightly bending forward, hands on waist, counts 1 and 2. Sway hips to the right, count 1. To the left, count N. And to the right, count 2. Do this for 2 measure. Repeat D for 2 measure. And repeat D and E, moving left, starting with the left foot for 4 measure. Figure 6, tuka-tuka pamalo for boys. Execute movement of girl in A, forward with arms as in figure 4, boy A, for 1 measure. Repeat A, bending backward, 1 measure. Repeat A and B 3 more times, moving forward and backward alternately for 6 measure. Jump right foot to sideward right and land both feet with bent knees. Trunk slightly bending forward, arms in second position for 1 measure. Strike both hips with hands 3 times and count 1 and 2 for 2 measure. Repeat D for 2 measure and repeat D and E, moving left starting with the left foot for 4 measure. Figure 7, Arigay 3. Partners face each other, arm movements from C to F as in figure 4. Scratch foot 3 times, right, left, right, as in figure 3, pangahig A, 3 measure. Execute moderate change step, turn, right in place, right, left. Do this for 2 measure. Partners face right. Take 2 change steps forward, right, left for 2 measure. Another change steps forward with right to turn left about for 1 measure. Point left forward, 1 measure. Do this for 2 measure. Repeat C and D, starting with left foot. Turn right about on the third change step and point right forward. Repeat D and E. Do this for 8 measure. And finally, for figure 8, Lagsanay B. This is for boys and girls. Starting with the right foot, take 2 change steps forward, boys and girls, arms as in figure 4. Do this for 2 measure. Girl bends body forward and turn right about while bending. Boy with open arms trying to catch the girl, arms from second position to first position with a lip, turn right about. Do this for 2 measure. Repeat A and B 3 more times, moving in circle formation. On the last measure, girl freezes her movement and boy shall hold the hem of the skirt of the girl while kneeling on the floor with right knee and left leg extended backward and the body bending forward. Do this for 12 measure. Let us recall figure 5 to 8. Figure 5. Lagsanay A. Figure 6. Tuka-tuka pamalo. Figure 7. Arigay 3. Figure 8. Lagsanay B. Now that we completed the figures from 1 to 8, let us try the whole dance with music. Are you ready? Let's try.
Arigay.
So that's it. Thank you for being with me today for the PNU Talk. That is the Dance Arigay. Before we end, I want to share to you our own interpretation of this Dance Arigay, which we presented last Sayaw Pinoy 2019, held in Luneta Park.
Arigay.
Again po, thank you very much po for being with me, for listening, for the dance interpretation of Arigay. Thank you for inviting me to be your speaker for PNU Talk today. Sir Lord, thank you po. And to the rest of you, thank you. So God bless. Bye.